Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing a big animal that's fluffy. Any guesses what that might be? It usually lives in the woods and loves to eat salmon. That's right, it's a bear. Let's draw one together. Let's draw our bear together. So again, we're going to draw a dot in the middle of the page, and we're going to create a triangular shape just like that. That's going to be our bear's nose. From the bottom of this triangle, draw one little hook shape and another little hook shape going the other way to create a W. That's our nose and mouth. Now, let's circle this with almost a pebble shape. See how I'm doing it? Like this. I'm now going to do the eyes, one on the right, just above it on here, and then one exactly on the other side for our two eyes. Now, our next thing is to do our bear's head. For this, we're going to go directly below where our bear mouth is and follow this line up all the way to the top, down and round again. That's our bear's head. On the right hand side, we're going to, oh, there's a bit of hair in there. On the right hand side, we're going to draw a semicircle. Follow up from the eye, draw a dot here and bring it down and round like this. That's one ear. And do the same on the other side. Follow the eye up, down and round. So we've got two semicircles on our bear's head. Inside these semicircles, we're going to draw smaller semicircles. This is for our bear's ears. Now we've got our bear's head, we're going to go on to the body. For the body, we're going to go to the right hand side of our bear and draw a small semicircle line like this. We're going to do the same on the other side. Might look a bit weird for now, but it won't when we continue. So we are going to go to this line and draw a big oval shape like this. We're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure they don't touch each other. They're two ovals like this. And again, if it's too complicated, just use a pencil first and then go over after with a pen. Feel free to pause the video at any point. Now we are going to go from the top here, slightly to the right, and bring a curved line down and meet it back at the foot, and do the same on the other side. Can you see our two bear's arms? Now to join our bear together, complete our bear, we're just going to draw a small little line there. That's its stomach. We've got to also draw the bottom of our bear's feet, almost a bean shape, and then three small circles on top like that, and repeat the same on the other side. And there we go. You've got your bear. Now let's colour our bear in. I'm going to do mine a brown because I've drawn a grizzly bear. And to finish our bear off, I'm just going to draw 2 little dots in his eyes and 1 for his nose. There we go, you have your bear. That was fun. Let me know in the comments below if next time you think we should draw a different type of bear, maybe like a polar bear. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to DIY.org to access fun creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with other like-minded community of kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.